Just like a mother who loves her precious child, we are working to hand down clean earth and clean environment to our children. The site selection for the Low and Intermediate Level Radioactive Waste Disposal Center began in 1986. Gyeongju was selected in 2nd November 2005 through the strong determination of the government and people's efforts despite the long dispute related to the issue. The disposal center is 2.06 million meters squared, which was built in Gyeongju with 800,000 drum capacity. In the first phase of the project, underground silos with 100,000 drum capacity were built in June 2014. Silos located in 130 meters below the sea level and the underground rock bed were built in June 2014. On the surface, supporting facilities for inspecting the radioactive wastes have been operating. Radioactive wastes are categorized into high or low and intermediate level radioactive waste, depending on the amount of radiation and heat it releases. Low and intermediate level radioactive wastes mainly consist of work uniforms, gloves, tools, and replaced mechanical parts from hospitals, industrial sites, and nuclear power plants. These wastes are compressed and sealed in a specially designed drum. They are stored in a temporary warehouse in nuclear power plants. These wastes are transferred into a transport container after preliminary tests. After the tests, a unique barcode and waste tracking system are generated. After sealed in a special container, the radioactive wastes are transported to the Radioactive Waste Disposal Center using the exclusively designed ship. The ship for transporting radioactive wastes is designed with dual hulls, radioactive seals, and dual engines to prevent leaking radioactive materials into the ocean in case of an accident. Once transported to the disposal center, the radioactive wastes undergo extensive inspections at the receipt and storage buildings. Then, they are transferred to a disposal container and an underground silo. At the silo, the wastes in the disposal container are stacked in a designated place using a special crane, and all the process is remotely monitored and controlled from the control center. When the silo is full, it is sealed with concrete and crushed rocks. The radioactive wastes in the underground silos are protected safely using multiple barriers, including disposal containers, concrete silo walls, and a granite wall. The silo will be managed in a safe manner even after the disposal center permanently closes. Then the wastes in the silo go back to nature. Radium, the visitor center in the Radioactive Waste Disposal Center, opens to provide accurate information, create a cultural place for local residents. Furthermore, the Korad Cheongjeonnuri Park opens in the disposal center in order to provide cultural places to local residents. We will stand by you to make valuable dreams coming true. The Low and Intermediate Level Radioactive Waste Disposal Center promises trust, We promise the bright tomorrow. We promise happiness.